Have you ever noticed how we all spend money on things like movies, music, and entertainment and never really think twice about it? We pay for it. We enjoy it. And that's the end of it. But what if there was a way to enjoy that same content and earn income from it at the same time? Sounds kind of crazy, right? Well, that's exactly what this video is about. Hi, welcome to AI Victor Hub, the place where I share practical AI tools to help you save time and boost your income online. If you're into AI tools that help you work faster and make smarter money moves, hit that subscribe button right now and stay until the end. One little detail could make all the difference if you're just starting out. Now, I'm going to share with you an AI tool that can create videos super fast, no filming, no editing required, and it's absolutely amazing. It's called VideoGen AI. All right, let's jump right in. Anyone can use this. First, go to the website, VideoGen. The link is right below in the YouTube description. The main tool I'll be showing you today is VideoGen. Step 1. Sign up for an account. You can use your Google account to make it quick. It literally takes about 10 seconds. If you're new, just click the sign up button in the top right corner to get started. You can also log in with your email or Google account to save time. That's usually what I do. Now comes the fun part. Think of a topic you want to turn into a video. It could be about movies, music, or anything you love. For example, how to make money on YouTube, a video. Step by step. You can write your own script or let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting and turn your ideas into a full script for your video. There are tons of options to match your style. Pick a voice, male or female, soft and gentle, or bold and powerful. Then just paste in your content. You can type in any keyword or topic you're interested in, and AI VideoGen instantly gives you video ideas based on that. Once you pick a topic, choose how long you want the video to be. 300 words, 600 words, or even longer. Then select your language: English, Spanish, French, and more. You can also pick the voice style. Each one comes with its own unique tone. Once the script is ready, review it. Don't love a part? No worries. You can tweak it right on the platform. Then just hit Create Video. The AI takes care of the rest in about 1 or 2 minutes. When it's done, download your video in crisp HD 1080p or even stunning 4K. Super easy. Just 5 steps. Use ChatGPT. Enter your idea or topic. Choose a voice style, male or female, soft or bold. Select video length 300 or 600 words and your preferred language. Review the script and make edits if needed. Click Create Video and download your video in stunning HD 1080p or 4K quality. Create your first video. Step 1. Come up with a topic. Let's say, how to make money on YouTube. You can write your own script or ask ChatGPT to help you. Paste your text into VideoGen. Then, Step 2. Pick your voiceover: gentle female, deep male voice, or even a calm narrator. Tons of options here. Step 3. Select your video length and preferred language: English, Spanish, French, Vietnamese, all available. When you're ready, hit Generate Video, and the AI will do the rest in just 1 minute. You'll get a fully produced video with voice, visuals, background music, and subtitles if you want. Export in HD or 4K, and you're good to go. Growing your channel with text-to-video, step-by-step guide. Step 1. Plan with ChatGPT. Let ChatGPT help you build a 30-day content plan for your channel. Ask it to generate daily video ideas around a niche like movies, health tips, or daily motivation. Pick one specific topic to focus on, and stick to posting 2 to 3 videos per week consistently. Step 2. Craft SEO-optimized titles. Use ChatGPT again to write SEO-friendly video titles. For example, say, give me 3 SEO-optimized titles for this topic, and then pick the best one. Make sure your title, video description, and tags include smart keywords. Step 3. Design eye-catching thumbnails. Use Canva AI to create scroll-stopping thumbnails that grab attention fast. Step 4. Optimize your description. Write a clear and engaging video description. Naturally include keywords from your title to help boost discoverability. Step 5. Add smart tags. Include relevant tags based on your title and niche. Example: health, morning routine, productivity, stress relief, content ideas. Step 6. Share across platforms. Don't forget to share your videos on Facebook, TikTok, X, formerly Twitter, Instagram, and in niche community groups. And that's how you can start growing your YouTube channel without ever showing your face and still make money. Ready to try it? Start now at VideoGen.ai. If this video helped you out, drop a like to support the channel. It really means a lot. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss the next AI tool that'll help you create better, faster content. Got an idea for the next video? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one of them. Thanks for watching. I'm Victor, and this is AI Victor Hub, where smart tools meet smart creators.